Hello and welcome to the Warranties module training video. In this video, I'm going to go over how to add warranties, view and edit them, and how to add them to work orders. So first, we're going to start off with adding a brand new warranty. You can select the asset in the dropdown, type the warranty name, the coverage type, click standard here, and the vendor. You can select the existing or add a new one. The start date of the warranty, how long it lasts, so you could do 1 year or however long it may be, and it'll automatically populate the end date, and then how many miles are currently on the odometer and how much range it covers. And here you can add components. So this could be like a part that you have. You can add the component description just to help your team out, and then add documents. So here I have a photo of the warranty here. And then once you're done, you click add, it'll populate down here, and then click finish. Okay, so once you've added the warranty, you'll see it populate in this table here on the main warranties page, and you can also search it up by unit ID or name in this field search box. And then you can also get notified when it's expiring soon, so whether you want like to get notified within 30 days before it expires or a certain mileage. And if you ever want to edit the warranties for whatever reason, you can click the edit button, make any changes, and click save. So to add a warranty to a work order, you can head over to the work order management module. We have more in-depth training videos for that in another one of my previous videos. So what you'll do is when you add the work order, just select everything you would normally select, and then scroll down here to the warranties on this asset table. You can add new warranty here, and it's the same process. So you can select whatever vendor it is, the start date, duration, meter, range, and do the same thing and click finish, and it will add into your warranties module table.